Civil engineering is more than designing roads, bridges, or drainage systems. It is about solving complex problems that affect entire communities. Yet behind every successful project, there is one essential factor that often determines whether engineers merely survive the demands of the profession or truly thrive in it. That factor is collaboration. In a world where project deadlines are becoming tighter, designs more complex, and client expectations higher than ever, collaboration is no longer a nice-to-have. It is the driving force that empowers civil engineers to push boundaries, avoid costly mistakes, and deliver solutions that stand the test of time. From coordinating across disciplines to building trust among project partners, collaboration transforms individual effort into collective achievement. And here's a thought for you. What has been your biggest collaboration success or challenge in a civil engineering project? Share your experience in the comments, because your story might inspire someone else watching this video. Collaboration addresses one of the greatest pain points in civil engineering: the risk of working in silos. Too often, surveyors, designers, and contractors focus only on their own scope. While this might seem efficient in the short term, it often leads to design inconsistencies, overlooked details, and expensive rework. Collaboration opens the doors for knowledge sharing. A transportation engineer may notice a design optimization that a stormwater engineer might overlook, while a CAD specialist might find a way to streamline drawings for faster approval. Every shared insight becomes a safeguard for quality. Collaboration also creates stability. Engineering firms often struggle with the revolving door of recruitment, hiring, training, and losing talent. This instability weakens team cohesion and disrupts communication. When collaboration is prioritized, teams become more connected, resilient, and invested in collective success. AXA Engineers has shown how a culture of stability fuels performance. Being recognized as the #1 best workplace in Vietnam, AXA Engineers has built an environment where engineers remain engaged long-term, ensuring clients work with a consistent team that understands their projects year after year. This consistency eliminates risks tied to staff turnover and fosters trust across partnerships. Another dimension of collaboration lies in time. Civil engineering projects are frequently caught in cycles of intense peaks and slow valleys. Without collaboration, these fluctuations cause delays and burnout. But when teams collaborate strategically, even across time zones, deadlines can turn into opportunities. For instance, AXA Engineers leverages a dual-shift model and global coordination to deliver progress overnight, a powerful example of how collaboration converts distance and time into a competitive advantage. Clients in the US or Australia can submit requests at the end of their day and wake up to real results, accelerating project delivery without sacrificing accuracy. Beyond technical efficiency, collaboration is also about building an environment where engineers can thrive. It is about creating spaces where professionals feel heard, where ideas are valued, and where innovation is encouraged. AXA Engineers embodies this through its philosophy, where engineers thrive, not just perform. By investing in comprehensive development programs that nurture both skills and mindsets, collaboration within the organization becomes more than teamwork. It becomes empowerment. Engineers gain the confidence to take ownership of projects, develop leadership qualities, and continually seek better solutions. Most importantly, collaboration builds trust. In civil engineering, trust is everything. Clients must trust that designs will be accurate, regulators must trust that standards are met, and communities must trust that infrastructure will be safe and sustainable. Trust does not come from individual brilliance alone. It comes from collaboration. It comes from engineers working together with openness, accountability, and a shared vision of success. Collaboration is the true foundation of thriving in civil engineering. It ensures knowledge is shared, stability is created, deadlines are met, and trust is built. It transforms engineering from a series of isolated tasks into a journey of innovation and impact. Whether it is through multidisciplinary teamwork, global partnerships, or creating environments where people can flourish, collaboration empowers engineers to achieve more than they could ever do alone. So the next time you look at a completed roadway or a community park, remember, these structures are not just the result of calculations and drawings. They are the outcome of countless collaborations, of engineers choosing to work together to build something greater than themselves. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Do you believe collaboration is the single most important factor for engineers to thrive? Or do you see another element as even more crucial? Let me know in the comments. I'm excited to read your thoughts.